Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Autobiography in Santorini Black. This is a 4.4 V8. It's previously had only one owner and is next due for a service in May 2022. You have 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, giving the car a real luxury appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs, pushchairs and bikes. And going into the back of the vehicle, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, an electrically folding armrest along with reclining seats, making sure each journey is a luxury for everyone. And going into the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can unlock it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior which is easy to clean. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light and is nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. And you also have a windshield. Cooler compartment, which is ideal if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold, or as we enter summer to keep drinks cool. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And they're also massage, which makes sure each journey is relaxing and you have various different settings to choose from. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, making parking easy. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate, enabling you to set the temperature at a certain time when you get in the car. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, including the speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control and blind spot monitor. All of those are really helpful, especially down the motorway. A heated steering wheel, luxury on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, which is handy for several people driving the vehicle or in and out. And a Meridian sound system. This car is done at 22,424 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, you have a soft door close. That was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.